Morning, y'all. So, 75 videos. It's been pretty fun. Not really a video type person, but so we've got 75 videos. I think I'm up to like 300 and something subscribers, which is, I can't believe there's 300 of y'all that actually want to see this stuff, but hey, that's cool. So, I never making the videos has always been just about trying to help out other people learn things. Growing up, I learned how to work on cars and all this stuff because I needed to. If you can't afford to pay somebody to work on your stuff, then you kind of got to do it yourself. And that holds true today too. So most of this is just to try to help people get ideas and learn how to do stuff. Welding, machining. I was never taught any of these things. I taught myself. I learned to weld when I was in the Army because Bill Clinton was president. We didn't have any money, so we had to fix stuff rather than get a new part. Machine work I learned because I wanted to make stuff, and so I bought a mill, and then I bought a lathe, and I taught myself how to use them. I don't always do it right, but I always figure out how to get the job done. So if you're watching one of my videos and you're critiquing my welding or anything, if you have a suggestion, absolutely put it in the comments or send me a message, because like I said, I'm not I don't pretend to be a professional welder or machinist. I'm a mechanic by trade. I started out working on cars and then working on Army stuff. Spent a bunch of years doing field service maintenance, and then got into plant maintenance. So I've turned wrenches on a lot of different things. So yeah, 75 videos. I honestly can't believe I've figured out 75 things to film, but here we are. Hopefully we'll keep on trucking. There's always something around here that needs building or fixing or repairing. Sometimes the channel, my channel has a lot of different things. We got gun stuff, we got repairing cars, building off-road vehicles, fixing stuff for in the house, all things I love doing. So and there's always something that needs doing. What else? So I guess if you do have any questions on a video or any other questions, you want to know something, leave it in the comments, and if we get enough of them, we'll do a proper Q&A video. If you've asked questions before in the comments, you'll find that I'm pretty quick to answer them within a day or so. And, I'll do my best to help you out if you want to know about something I used. The channel has no sponsors. I try to tell you what parts I'm using, not to give necessarily the people that made them a shout out. Same with the tool reviews. I mean, I review tools that I buy just because, one, I bought them. I didn't get given them. If I ever do get a sponsor of that sort, I will, of course, be upfront and open about it, but I don't have any sponsors. I make $0.0 off of anything I've done on YouTube so far. That's not to say that if I hit 1,000 subscribers and start getting a little bit of money, that'd be great. All this stuff around here that I work on costs money. It all comes out of my pocket. But If I don't, I don't, and I'll still make videos to help people out. So either way. And I don't have any sponsors. I have gotten no free stuff, so which is great. You know, I never started this with the intention of getting free stuff or getting paid for it necessarily. It's I just, you know, people need to know how to do things, and since people don't tend to look at books anymore and they look at YouTube, I figured that's the way to teach people how to do things. What else? So I've been asked several times, especially after some of my Asking FFL videos, where I stand politically. I'm a libertarian. I believe in very limited government, and I love this country, but I absolutely hate the government that we have now. It's too big, too intrusive. There's too many laws. You know, I believe all gun laws are infringements on the Second Amendment. I do just enough to stay legal with the ATF and not go to jail or be Waco'd or have my house burnt down or my dog killed. But if I had it my way, I'd fix guns and not have to worry about doing a bunch of stupid paperwork. But unfortunately, that's the world we live in, and I don't need to be going to prison. I got a wife and kids to keep taken care of. So yeah, I don't want to get anything from the government, and I don't want the government in my life, pretty much. So yeah, that's politics. I'm not a big fan. So that's where we stand as far as that goes. And professionally, right now I am a mechanic in a paper mill that makes paper products like toilet paper and paper towels and wet wipes. The company is good to work for, but ran by very, very liberal people who don't like guns, so I don't give them any mention whatsoever in any of my videos. Good company to work for, but they, instead of just worrying about making toilet paper, they worry about politics too much. But that's a lot of big companies nowadays. So, and then I've got my own business, gunsmithing. I like repairing guns. I like restoring old military guns. I enjoy it. I do it for people. I don't get to film as much of it as I'd like because customers aren't always willing to have their guns filmed while I'm working on them, which is fine. That's their prerogative. But, you know, I'd like to be able to film more of that, customers willing. And then the off-road vehicles, I got the Scout and the Cherokee, and I would like to build another Volkswagen. I've owned almost 30 different Volkswagens over the years, the old air-cooled Beetles. And I love Baja Bugs and Sandrails, so I'd really kind of like to build another Baja Bug. The last one I had was a Sandrail, and I sold it when my daughter was born because it was only a 2-seater and we couldn't really take it anywhere. So that's about it. So 75 videos, and man, I appreciate y'all watching. I'm humbled that over 300 of y'all actually found videos interesting enough to subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate it. I appreciate y'all watching, and hopefully we'll see you in many videos to come. Y'all have a good one.